Hi, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic stave to attract wealth and attract money. This stave was created by Arcadia and it's called the Financial Dragon. Later in the video I will also explain you how you can use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is from my personal collection of powerful rune formulas and runic staves. I have gathered hundreds of powerful magic symbols those were created in the history of humanity. These magical symbols are amulets created for practical reasons like attracting money, health, love, but also for mystical purposes, for example, protection from black magic, learning to astral project, and even developing your intuition and clairvoyance. All that is available for you right now, all the links are in the description. This stave consists out of next runes. The rune Teos clears the way towards money. The rune Algis protects you on this path by support of higher forces. The rune Eos is the horse that carries us to money. The rune Dagas is transforming your life into a richer one with more income. The rune Manas is actually a representation of you, the human. And the rune Ingos is the wealth itself that is coming into your life. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, get my free runes PDF guide. It contains the meanings of each rune, some rune formulas, divination spreads, and also an example of how you can use and activate the runes with a simple ritual. A word of warning: before activating a runic stave or any magical construct at all, it would be wise to check to verify that it will be safe for you and that it will work as expected. To do that, you can use any divination tool that you know, tarot, pendulum, runes, or any other. If you don't know how to do that, you can learn it on my course. To activate this runic stave, you can draw it on a piece of paper or print it out. Then you trace it with your pen. You can trace and name each rune. Then you say an incantation. Put a candle on top of the paper, light the candle and let it burn down completely. For this stave you can use the next incantation. By the power of this runic stave, money and wealth will be attracted into my life. This stave works in the safest possible way for me, so be it. For a stronger ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short value-packed video course with years of my experience condensed into a 10-minute video that will enable you to work with runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing mistakes that beginners do, those often prevent the runes from working at all.